Look what Santa brought for you,
A
kiddo.
bunch of toys and presents.
I think those are Courtney's over there.
Those are yours, Brooke.
The little Lucy's.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. Oh.
You gotta thank Santa.
Santa brought those for you, kiddo.
Look,
You can
we
open
got a
them,
little
kiddo.
Baby La La Loopsy.
Aw, that's so cute. What's in this giant present?
Which one?
That one.
That one. Let's see. That one's for Daddy.
Hey, Dave, this is your present.
I get the big one, huh?
Yeah, here's your
Oh, thank you.
for ya. Look at your puppy, remember? You can sing our favorite Christmas song. It's called Jingle Bells, Jingle All the Way. That's the kind of Christmas it is to ride on one horse open sleigh. Hey!
What do you think about that, kiddo? That looks like a fun present.
Yeah. This one.
Who is that?
That's Lala Lucy's sister.
Oh,
I'm getting her out.
okay.
This one's from Brookie to Cordy.
Oh, that was nice of you.
Thank you, that Cordy. Another one. That's her little car.
Brookie, do you want to open your gifts?
Yes. I'll have Cordy open up first.
Why don't you open yours first, okay?
Oh, this one's mine.
I know. Let me see.
It's sleeping.
It says your name. Brooklyn. Oh.
Is this a blanket?
And look, Cordy got one too.
I'm getting out Cordy's for her.
Oh, she got Min.
You like that? She
Oh,
likes
Cordy.
it. She likes this present.
She does.
I think somebody likes this Lala Loopsy doll. You don't need to pull that off, kiddo.
Brookie, come here. I'll help you, baby.
He can help. Look at that. Oh, there's a twist where they send their other ones for.
I think they say Brooke on them.
Thank you. Oh, it's my mini dress up thing. It's for me.
My mini dress-up thing.
That's very cute, Brooke.
I like that.
Mini. There's all my favorite stuff I can put on Mini. And there's Figaro.
Figaro's in there?
Figaro.
It's Minnie's cat, isn't it? Figaro?
And there's Pluto. Mickey's dog.
What'd you get, Cordy?
Cordy got a little pup.
All right.
She has her little Lala Lucy. Mommy, my Lala Lucy's bigger than Cordy.
Yes, I know, honey. I know.
Cordy's little.
You know what
She just
your
needs a little one.
Lucy's doll's name is? It's Prairie Dusty Trails.
Yeah, she finds Dusty Trail.
What'd you get there, kiddo?
I got this.
Is that Chutes and Ladders?
Chutes and Ladders. And
Oh,
it's
what a
princess
fun game.
time.
Thank you. Thank you, Santa.
Looks like a fun game to me.
Okay, I think you got some more presents over there if you want to open some.
These are mine.
Mm-hmm.
Brooklyn's Christmas tree.
puppy.
It's a puzzle. It's a puzzle.
Hi, bub.
Hi, little puppy. It's got a rattle in it. Hi, puppy.
What'd you get, Court? What'd you
I
get?
got this.
Did you get a puppy?
I got this
Courtney.
one.
Hey, Court.
Look at Daddy.
I'm over here, sweetie.
Look up here. Daddy's up there.
Hi, what'd you get? Did you get a puppy? All right.
I
Oh,
got this
hi, pup.
present. There's lots and hundreds of presents since under the tree.
Honey, that one goes with that big box back
This
there, the
one?
big princess box.
This one,
Yeah.
I'll get it. I'll get it out. Oh, not these presents down. Can I open this one? This one. Let me see my name.
Whatever order you want to go in, kiddo, just open them up.
That one's from Cordy.
Thank you, Corey. Is that for Big Eye?
No, it's for Brookie.
Thank you, Mommy.
She thought you would like that, mate. It's a remote control meter.
Thank you. Thank you, Corey.
It's a big guy.
This is my present.
Do you know what these are? These have all these puzzles in there.
They have fairies,
4 different puzzles.
fairies, princesses, and princesses.
Sounds like it's right up your alley.
Santa must have gotten the message that you like princesses.
I think he did.
Today, thank Santa. This one's for me. Now I'm over so lighting a queen for me.
Don't worry about that, Kel. I'll get
This
that
one's
thing.
for you, Mommy.
Yes.
It's
That's where those other things that go to. The other box that you open.
this
You can make all those designs on the machine and they glow.
Look. Queen, the queen.
Look, this is what you do, baby. This is the machine, and you make all these designs, and in that box, you can do all the princesses. There's Tinkerbell and Ariel in there. You want this, Cordy?
I'll open up this one.
Hey, you got one more present over there.
Not that. This one. Mine.
The Cinderella box.
That's Mommy's. You can give that to her if you want.
Mommy, this is your present.
Oh, thank you.
It was Santa gave that to you.
Mine must have been good, huh?
Yeah, you must have been good. Rookie for her penguin. Rookie's penguin.
You want your pup? Look at your pup. He's so cute.
It's my Cinderella doll.
Oh, wow. Look at that one.
She's cute.
You like those dolls, don't you, kiddo?
Yeah. This is a
Look, she's got Jack with her.
Tell you what, Santa knew what was on your list.
See him?
It's Jack. Jack the Mouse. This one's gonna be
And you got
hard.
2 books, a mini book.
Oh, what's this book for?
It's for you.
Thank
You like those
you.
books.
And look,
Can
here's
I
a
get
mini
this?
one.
Can I get this open?
The puzzles?
No, this one.
Okay, let's wait. Can you wait until Cordy opens her? You want to help Cordy?
Yeah,
Because I don't want to lose any pieces in this mess.